Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today we replace the intro with a new one. So the old intro will make a comeback after 1 year. But are you guys gonna miss about the old intro? This is all of my intro one, the left side. Also, I have a question for you all. Can you guess which one has the volume off? So the answer is on the bottom of the intro. Also, we also change outro, so bye bye and watch the outro.